Ladies and gentlemen, today, I want to talk to you about how to achieve success in a world full of distractions. In our fast-paced and always connected lives, it's easy to lose focus and get sidetracked from our goals. But don't worry, I have some simple rules that can help you stay focused and succeed in this distracted world. Rule number 1, know what you want and set clear goals. Take some time to figure out what you're passionate about and what you want to achieve.
Hey there, goal-getters! Welcome back to our channel. Today we've got something special for you. We're diving into the secrets of achieving your dreams with a step-by-step guide. So grab a pen, hit that subscribe button, and let's get started. First things first, set those goals. Make them specific and achievable, and don't forget to add a time frame. Whether it's conquering the world or just conquering your personal Everest, a goal without a plan is just a wish. Now imagine tackling a massive pizza in one go. That's overwhelming, right? Instead, slice it up. Break your goals into smaller, more digestible tasks. It's like enjoying that pizza one slice at a time. Planning is key. Create a routine that works for you. When will you work on your goals? Having a schedule not only keeps you on track, but also turns your aspirations into a habit. Why are your goals important to you? Understanding the why